Our fifth lesson for this quarter is the fundamental principle of counting. And in this lesson, you are expected to apply fundamental principle of counting in solving problems. Let's go back with our first problem in lesson 4, in where we tossed two coins. I used the 20 peso coin that has two possible outcomes and the 10 peso coin that has also two possible outcomes. And we've got a total of 4 number of possible outcomes. We got 4 by using the table by tree diagram and by listing method, right? Now, what if hindi natin gagamitin yung mga method na yun? Paano natin makukuha ang total outcomes na 4? Given itong ating number of outcomes for each experiment by multiplying it. Because 2 times 2 is 4. Pwede rin 2 plus 2. Kaya lang, alin sa dalawa ang tama? At lagi kayang tama ito? Let's check with our second problem. Our second problem is we tossed a coin and rolled a die. So, ang die natin ay mayroong 6 possible outcomes. At ang coin natin ay mayroong 2 possible outcomes. And we got a total outcomes of 12. So, to get 12, just multiply 6 and 2. So, mas tama ang multiplication kaysa sa addition. Because 6 plus 2 is 8. Pero ang kailangan natin ay 12. So, the operation must be multiplication. Ayan. So, tama kanina, tama pa rin ngayon. Let's try with our third problem, in where Natalie ordered a milk tea. And she had a choices of small, medium, large for cup size. And for flavor, she has winter melon, matcha, or chocolate. Ayan. And we got here a total number of outcomes, 9. Because we have 3 choices for cup size and 3 choices for milk tea flavor. Multiplying it, the product is 9. Ibig sabihin, tama na i-multiply natin yung mga outcomes for each experiment sa given problem. Right? Therefore, the fundamental principle of counting states that if one thing can occur in m ways, and the second thing can occur in n ways, and a third thing can occur in p ways, and so on, then the sequence of things can be occurred in m times n times p, and so on ways. For example, the department store has a sale and offers 1,000 pesos for a crop top, skirt, and sneakers combo. Wow, combo na siya. May crop top ka na, may skirt ka na, at may sneakers ka pa for only 1,000 pesos. The ladies' shirt that you like has 6 different colors. The skirt that you love has 4 different styles. And the sneaker has 6 awesome designs. How many possible or how many different outfit combinations are possible? By using the definition of the fundamental principle of counting, so meron tayong 6 for our experiment 1, 4 outcomes for experiment 2, and 6 outcomes for experiment 3. Now, multiplying this, 6 times 4 times 6, the answer is 144. So there are 144 combinations of this outfit. Ang hirap nun mamili, ano? Yung isa lang, isang pares lang, isang combo lang yung bibilhin mo. Pero yung pagpipilian mo ay 144. Ayun, good luck for you. Example number 2. A morning snacks consists of a sandwich and a drink. You may choose from bacon, ham, or tuna. From the sandwich and iced tea, mango, or orange juice for the drink. So how many possible snacks are there? For the solution, the number of outcomes is 3 for the bacon, ham, or tuna sandwich and times 3 for the iced tea, mango, or orange juice. And the product is equal to 9. Example number 3. In how many ways can a clown distribute 8 balloons to 6 different children if each child gets 1 balloon? So medyo complex ito. Bakit? Kasi mayroon tayong 6 na bata at hindi naman pwedeng itong 6 na bata na ito ay tigwa-8 ng balon. Dahil ang given dito ay 8 lang ang balloons. So, paano natin makukuha ang ah, number of outcomes? Okay. So, for the solutions, we have here 6 children. Yeah. So, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. And another given is the 8 balloons. So let's say the color of these balloons are red, orange, yellow, pink, green, blue, violet, and black. Hindi naman pwedeng sabay-sabay silang mamili, right? Isa-isa. Okay. So let's say si first, ayan, kaya siya first, siya ang unang mamimili sa ating balloons. At ang pagpipilian niya ay kompleto pa. Ang number ng balloons ay 8. At ang napili niyang kulay ay red. So, tanggalin na natin yung red. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian ng second child? 'Di ba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meron na lamang siyang 7 choices. And let's say, ang pinili niya ay color black balloon. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian ni third child? Kasi dalawa na yung nakuha, yung red at yung black. Kaya ang pagpipilian na lang ni third child ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balloons na lang. At ang napili niyang kulay ay pink. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian ni fourth child? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. And let's say, ang nakuha niya ay blue balloon. Next, for the fifth child, siya na ang mamimili, ilan na lang ang kanyang pagpipilian? Mayroon na lang siyang 4 na balloon na pagpipilian. And let's say, ang color na nakuha niya ay violet. Isa na lang yung pang-anim na bata. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian niya? Kasi napagpilian na ni first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Ang naiiwan na lang ay 3. So again, si first child ay nagkaroon siya ng 8 choices. Si second ay 7, si third ay 6, si fourth ay 5, si fifth ay 4, si sixth ay 3. Multiplying this, the outcomes is 20,160. Therefore, the clown can distribute these 8 balloons to the 6 children in 20,160 ways. Example number 4. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed in number 1 to 9 if repetition of the digits is not allowed and if repetition of the digit is allowed? So, mayroon tayong dalawang conditions. Gagawa tayo ng 3-digit number na kukunin natin from numbers 1 to 9. So, ilan yung possible na mabuo natin na 3-digit number from 1 to 9 na kailangan hindi mauulit yung number. At pwede rin maulit yung number. So, yan yung ating dalawang problem. For the solution, ayan, and these are the 3-digit numbers. na kukunin natin from numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Ayan. Unahin natin ang repetition is not allowed. Paano yon? For the first digit number, mayroon pa tayong 9 choices, right? Ayan, mayroon pa tayong 9 choices. And for the second digit, so let's say ang kinuha ni first digit na number ay 1. Ibig sabihin si 1 hindi na pwedeng maulit kay second digit number at kay third number. Okay? So, i-x na natin si 1. Ilan na lang ang possible outcome kay second number? Na naiwan, wala na si 1. 8 na lang. 'Di ba? Kasi wala na yung 1. And then let's say ang napili ni second number ay 2. So wala na yung 1, wala na din yung 2. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian ni third number? Mayroon na lang siyang 7. Ayan. Mayroon na lang siyang 7 numbers. So multiplying this, the number of outcome is 504. For the second one, if repetition is allowed, so dito, dahil si 1, halimbawa, si first digit ay 1, at may allowed ang repetition, pwedeng maulit ang 1 kay second digit at kay third digit number. Okay? Therefore, kung ang choices ni first digit number ay 9, ganun din kay second at kay third. Multiplying this, the number of outcomes is 729. Example number 5. How many license plates are there if a plate consists of 3 letters from the English alphabet followed by 3 numbers if the letters and numbers can be repeated? What if the letters and numbers cannot be repeated? For the solutions, ayan, so ang license plate natin is consists of 3 letters from the English alphabet and 3 numbers. Okay? Ayan. So, ang numbers natin ay mag-start sa 0 at magtatapos sa 9. So, meron tayong 10 choices for numbers and 26 choices for the letters. Unahin natin ang can be repeated. So, since pwedeng maulit, the number of choices for the first letter is 26. Same with the second letter and the third letter. Kasi pwede namang maulit. So, halimbawa, si first letter, ang pinili niya, letter A. Pwede pa rin magkaroon ng letter A kay second letter. Diba? Ito. At pwede rin maulit ang A kay third letter. Okay? For the numbers, mayroon tayong 10 choices. At dahil pwedeng maulit, 10 pa rin kay second number at 10 pa rin kay third number. Multiplying this, the outcome is 17,576,000. Ang dami, di ba? So, ganyan kadami ang pwedeng magawang license plate. Now, for the second condition, the letter and the number cannot be repeated. Okay, kay first letter tayo, mayroon pa siyang 26 choices in the English alphabet. So, since kinuha na ni first letter ang isa sa alphabet, let's say letter A, ilan na lang ang pagpipila ni second letter? Mayroon na lang siyang 25 letters. Para kay third letter, halimbawa ang kinuha ni second letter ay letter B. Ang choices na lang ni third letter ay 24. Para naman sa number, ayan, kompleto pa ang pagpipilian ni first number. And then, what if ang kinuha ni first number ay 0? Ilan na lang pagpipilian ni second number? 9 na lang. So, let's say, ang number na yun ay 1. Ilan na lang ang pagpipilian ni third number? The answer is 8. Now, multiplying these outcomes, the answer is 11,232,000. And that is how to find or determine the outcomes of a given word problem using the fundamental principle of counting, uh, with or without conditions. For your assignment, determine the possible outcomes of the following, 5 points for each item for a total of 10 points. Thank you for listening.